Hey, how's it going everyone? Michael back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to center anything in PowerApps. If you like PowerApps, Power Automate, SharePoint, Teams, and Power BI videos, feel free to subscribe because I'll be putting out more videos in those areas. And now for my intro. All right, so you want to learn to center something in PowerApps. So first, I'm just going to set up a few things. I'm going to be trying to center something within my gallery. I'm just going to add a few extra labels to kind of describe the process. So first, I'm going to do a text label. And for this, I'm going to do parent.width. So right now the screen is 1366. And let me make this font a little bit bigger. So 1366 is the whole width of the screen. If I go out, it will stay at 1366, and that's because I have scale to fit on. So we needed the button to line up in the center. So let me go ahead and also add a rectangle, and I will use this to have a line going directly down the center. So for the X, we'll just do 1, and then for the Y, we'll do 0. And for the height, we want to do parent.height. And we need to change the width to 1 and actually change the X value to parent.width divided by 2. So as you can see, now we have this line going directly down the middle, and that it should be at, let me go ahead and go back to our label that has the full length. Let's divide this by 2. So that's going to be at 683. 683 is the middle. So I want to go ahead and learn to center a button in the middle. So when I first started, I had a trouble with this just because I couldn't think of the math. But now that I broke it down into steps and solved the math, it's pretty simple centering things now. And it's really useful. Because I used to do, if I want to put this button in the middle, I used to do like for the X property. Actually, yeah, the X property, I would do like parent.width divided by 3. And sometimes that looked like it worked, but most of the time it didn't really work. If you have like larger components, it might look, and if you like zoom out, you can probably tell. But for us, we want to have it to where we want to do in parentheses for the first half, you want to do parent.width divided by 2. So right now on the far left hand side, it's like on the right side. It's not directly in the middle. If we zoom out, you can see we want this button to be directly in the middle of that line. So we want to go ahead and add minus, and then we want to do self.width because that's going to get the width of the button and divide that by 2. So that should put it directly in the middle, and as you can see, it does. So that is the formula to making anything centered. A parent.width divided by 2 in parentheses, subtract self.width divided by 2. And that's just, again, they just taken half of the width of the button, and that's where it's going to start at. So let me go ahead and make it to where the gallery is smaller. So right now it's going all the way across the screen. And since my formula is looking directly at the gallery 3, no matter what I make the gallery, it should still be in the middle. Let's go ahead and make this gallery. Right now it's 1366, so make this like 950. As you can see, it stayed in the center of the gallery, and that is how you center anything in PowerApps. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will catch you in the next one.